It's shout out time. You know how I love helping small channels just starting out, especially when I see something that I really love watching myself. This is a new channel I just ran across today. It has only 26 followers and 57 videos, but the videos are very well done, and if you love gardening and you love flowers, this might be the channel for you. And if you like inspiration, I'd go check it out also. I want to share with you just a little clip of why I am so impressed by this channel. I love beautiful architecture and I love things that are beautiful. And look at what this greenhouse looks like. Isn't it beautiful? And the greenhouse lights up so beautifully at night. And she shares it all with you, not counting how beautiful every inch of her property looks. A lot of hard work went into this video, and a lot of hard work went into putting this property in such beautiful, beautiful condition for us to enjoy. And she shares so many beautiful things with us, all her beautiful flowers, how she takes care of them. Oh my gosh, you just really need to go check out her videos and look at all the hard work they put into the property, getting everything looking so wonderful. Now you're never going to see this in my yard, I can promise you. I can barely keep anything alive and looking halfway decent. And they are just doing an awesome job on this video and on their property. Go check them. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this property is. How wonderful they have taken care of it, and they built it up from scratch and just worked so hard on it. But you can see all their hard work is paying off. It's beautiful here. Here's another angle from their property. The walkways and the greenhouse and all the beautiful flowers all about, and a beautiful seating area. So much color and beauty everywhere. This is a wonderful channel to inspire us all to put more beauty in our gardens. Isn't it beautiful? Go check them out. It's a small channel, but not because it isn't a good channel. It's small because nobody knows they're out there. Go out there, give them some love, support. Tell your friends about it, and let's help this channel get growing, and let's help them. That's how we get our channels growing. The more we can help small channels grow, the more they're going to help our channel grow also. So remember, helping these small channels is also helping you. This channel is going to be a great channel, but they got to have some encouragement. Go check them out. Here's another one of the new channels that I'm shouting out today. They do a beautiful job on theirs also. Please go check them out and see what they're like. If you love gardening, vegetable gardens, you're going to love their beautiful channel too. And they have a beautiful greenhouse also. Not as fancy as the other one, but still very, very nice. And they have a lot of great content on it. They work hard and they do love their gardens. And you're going to notice by watching these videos, very well put together. Go and check this channel out. There's lots of content, a lot of beautiful flowers, and a lot of beautiful succulents, and a lot of great food gardens also. So if gardening is the thing that you love, you're going to love both these new channels that I am sharing with you today. They are just both so well put together, but they're just small. They need your help. Go give them love and support and watch your channel grow with the love that you're giving out there. That's how you grow your channels also. Let's get together and start helping these small channels that are just starting out. Remember how hard it was when you were starting out, getting that first follower, then the next one and the next one. The first 100 were so exciting, and they need our help. Now here's their greenhouse. Is it not beautiful also? And they have put so much care into their property. go check this beautiful channel out and watch it grow. And here is our third channel. Hope you're going to enjoy it too. If you love gardening, you're going to love this one also. She shares a lot of great things with you. A lot of beautiful flowers that they grow and lots of vegetables they grow. Lots of great tips and stuff also. So go and check out this wonderful channel, and I'm just giving you a little bit of an idea of what they have on it, and you're going to really love another great brand new little gardening channel. They only have 19 followers, so they really need our help to get going. And I hope that you enjoy the 3 channels I shared today. You know, Grandma always likes finding new channels and sharing them with you. It means a lot to me to know I'm helping these small channels. And if I help them get new followers and get them used to getting people coming over and checking out their channels, I know it's going to mean a lot to them. The beginning is so hard, you all remember that. So here we go, 3 new friends. Hope you go and check them all out. They are awesome creators and they're just starting out and they need your help. Bye-bye for now. Hope you enjoyed Shout Out Sunday. I love watching videos like these. It gives me so much inspiration for my own garden. I get a lot of great tips by watching them and watching different little ways they decorate their gardens. So go and check these channels out. Like I said, they're all a little different and they all give a lot of great inspiration. And that's what we need to keep ourselves going. I never run out of ideas because I'm always watching some great channels and they all have something in them that I enjoy and give me inspiration for my own garden. Well, this is all I have to say. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. You know how I can just keep talking. I don't know how to stop. So thank you all for all your kindness, all your support, and thanks for watching until the end. Always love sharing with you, my new friends, and I hope you enjoy them also. Look at the baby watermelon.